What's up, guys? I'm back. It's another video. It's a beautiful Saturday, guys. Guys, for this who doesn't know me, my name is Juba Snipe, and I say Forex trader, and I say so. Today is Saturday. Guys, we've been killing the market the whole week. We've been killing the market, guys, the whole week. So today as a Saturday, that the market is closed. But I just wanna go do some shopping for some I do need some stuff, so I just wanna go do some shopping, from the money we made this week, so let's go. I hope everybody's having a good week, and I hope you guys still sticking on something that I recommended you guys. If you're still losing in the market, please take care of this thing. Always remember, shift your stop loss after you get to the profit. This is the only way to escape the losses. Always, as soon as you move to the profit, you take the opportunity. As soon as you move to the profit, always remember to lock your profit. This is the strategy, guys, that helps me winning every single day. This is the strategy that helps me winning in a forex market every single day. So do that thing, guys. I'm recommend you that thing again in this video, as I did in a previous video. I think I'm going to to push you guys on this thing, on this kind of strategy. You move to the profit, shift your stop loss, bro. Put your stop loss in the profit as well, as you already make the profit. So I just want to go do some shopping for some stuff, so let's go. So let's just start from here. So I don't know what I think about this one, but no, not this one, guys. I'm just looking for something that I can go with, so not this one. I actually looking for some sneakers, And I like the hoodie. I like also this one, but not for today. Not for today. And I like this one as well. I like the design of this one for sure. Yeah, this one's beautiful. Yeah, it's a good jacket. Jean jacket, beautiful. Yeah, everybody's busy here, and I like their workers. The workers, they are cool. Busy joking with the customers, I really like the service from these guys, for sure. 5-star from these guys, for sure. Guys, I haven't got yet what I'm looking for, but I saw some 2 sneakers, but I think that's what I'm gonna go with from here. So I already got what I wanted. This is what I wanted, guys, for sure. This is what I decided to take from here. So now it's time to pay some cash. Yes, I really love the service, guys. Yo, guys, I was trying to pay with my card, but my limit was over because I've been buying some stuff since morning. So now I just want to go to ATM and get some cash, but the queue, guys, on the ATM is too long. The queue is too long, guys. It's so I'm the next. It's time to get some cash, so I can go back and pay for my stuff. I was just short some few cash, you know. Yes, gang, we already got some stuff, already bought everything. I say now it's time to go home. Let's go, baby. Yo guys, we back guys, we back guys from the shop, you know what I'm saying. So I couldn't take like a clear video because, you know guys, not easy, you know, taking some videos in the public, you know, it's not easy. But I'll show you guys what I got myself this one, you know what I'm saying, this one right here, and show you guys, this is what we got, guys, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I love this one for sure. I love it. I love the quality, and you know, I don't know why guys, but I do love Adidas so much because Adidas got a beautiful and the quality stuff. So when you're wearing Adidas quality, bro, you won't mind about anything, you know what I'm saying. So I like them so much, you know what I'm saying. This one was something about how much. Let's check the price. But it's cool. You can see guys, looks good, you know what I'm saying. And all this stuff, you know what I'm saying. I'll show you something else which I got myself this one, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I've never wear this color, but you know, today is going to be my first time wearing this blue color, you know. But I hope it's looking good, guys. I hope it's looking good, you know. I don't even know how to wear it, but I hope it's looking good. If it doesn't look good, I'll be sad, you know what I'm saying. But I hope it's looking good, and if it doesn't look good, I'm gonna take it back. And this one was something about how much. Let's check the price. It was just something about let's check the price right here. You can see something about 500 rand, you know. I say cheap, bro, you know. We don't have to borrow money, bro, like for real. And this one right here was something about 1,800, 1.8. And I got another one for my brother as well. I got another one for my brother as well. You can see here. It was also something about 1,000, something about 1,000, something about 1,000, and 1,000. $1,007. So I don't like to spend a lot of money, guys. I don't really like to spend a lot of money because we really need money. So at all time, you have to use your proper risk management. Even if you have your money in cash, you must always make sure you spend your money with the proper risk management. You are not only going to use proper risk management in the market, but also if you got a cash in your hands, you also have to make sure you're using the proper risk management. I also got myself these ones, you know. I also got myself these ones because these ones, they are like, I've got a black, you know. I got a black of these ones, so I wanted the white as well, you know. You know how we do. I wanted the white as well, like this. So, and I got also another one, something I'm gonna gift this one too. This one I'm gonna gift it to somebody. And this one was something about, I hope you can see this one too. There was something about 800 bucks, you know. 800 bucks. So guys, this is what I got, and this is what I got today, and this is what I got. So this is my Saturday, guys. I just spent the money that I made this week, you know. Yes sir, I spent the money I just made this week. So next week it's coming up with something else. Maybe gonna make some more money with the next week. You know, say, you know how we do in the market. We're expecting to kill the market next week like crazy, bro. And next week, guys, the way the market looks like, it looks like next week is gonna have a lot of opportunities for sure. This week has been a little bit hard, you know what I'm saying? It's been a little bit hard because the market was not moving as usual, you know. But next week, guys, we're going to kill the market, no cap. Next week we're gonna kill the market, no cap. So guys, this was my day in life for today, you know what I'm saying, for Saturday, you know what I'm saying. And now let's see what tomorrow I'm also willing to crab tomorrow. I'm going for crabbing tomorrow, you know what I'm saying. Sunday I'm going for crabbing. But guys, remember that I don't drink, I don't smoke, you know what I'm saying. Even if I go for crabbing, doesn't mean like, yo, Monday I'm not going to do some work. I'm gonna work, but I don't drink, I don't smoke. I just like the vibe, you know what I'm saying. When you see me outside, then you must know I'm just going for the vibe, you know what I'm saying. I'm just going for the vibe, cheering, you know what I'm saying. Just sit with other people, you know, just this kind of experience, you know. But I don't drink, I don't smoke, so you already know. So peace out, guys. This was my day in life. Take care of yourself and keep it running, especially like now the market is closed. Make sure if you've been winning the trade, make sure you find out the reason why you've been winning the trade. And if you did lose some trade this week, this is your beautiful time to go over the chart and find out the reason why you lose the trade. You know what I'm saying. Don't just cheer when you lose the trade. When you lose the trade, is your real opportunity, your good opportunity to find out where you made a mistake. And when you win the trade, it's your good opportunity to find out why did you win the trade. So make sure to do the right things. Make sure keep yourself connected with the chart, and the chart, the market is gonna be connected with you in your mind. So peace out. I hope you're enjoying your weekend. You know what I'm saying. See you on the other one.